Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to remove or how to delete a hyperlink inside the text. For example, if you have some text and it has a hyperlink or link on it, how we just can remove the link from the text on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to remove or delete your link into the inside the text in your WPS spreadsheet mobile. For an example, here just having a YouTube with link. So actually the text or the things with link will show on the blue color with added line. So just click this. You can see option to search in web because it has a link. So to clear the link, you have an option here. Just come here. So you can see an option to edit. Click this edit option and you can just add a more text. But if you just close it and click on the icon option and just go inside that insert option and click on the hyperlink, and you will see an option called delete hyperlink on the bottom side. Click on those. Now you can see clearly that the link has been removed. This is how you just remove or delete your hyperlink or link inside the WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Unique. Have a wonderful day.